Hi, in this video we'll try to connect to a folder and combine files, Excel files within it, and also we'll see how to append Excel sheets within one file before we combine both workbooks, both Excel workbooks. So let us go and begin. First we will get data from the toolbar of Power BI and go to folder and put our folder path. In this example, we will see or we will try to combine those files for different months, February and March, for machine breakdowns. Let us assume we have 3 lines, line 6, line 7, line 8, in one of our companies, and those are the breakdowns for each line. We have year, date, and shift, machine name, and the breakdown times, and we want to combine both files for March and February to be one table. And we will go further after that to see how we will combine first the 3 lines in each worksheet or workbook, and then combine both workbooks in same folder. So eventually the Power BI will automatically combine all Excel workbooks in the same folder, and within the same within each file, Excel file, it will append the sheets. So you will gain a holistic view for all the dates and all the lines you will have, and this will give you advantage in analytics and analysis after that. Go and make the combination using Power BI. It will first, now Power BI see what's in this folder, and we will select combine and transform. Okay, and in the navigation window of the combining, you can select only one table. This is giving you an option, and as if Power BI asking you which table or which sheet you want to combine from all Excel workbooks in this folder. So if we go with this example, we may select here line 6 table. This is the table that contains the data of breakdowns of line 6 only. So eventually what you'll do goes for every file, February and March, and combine line 6 data. So we will go now for Power Query, and you will see that okay, it already combines 2 workbooks. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but this for only line 6. What we want to do now is append all sheets, all these 3 lines in every workbook, and after then make Power BI append or combine those 2 workbooks. So, but first let us assume that we have a new report for April. So if I take a copy of March here and paste it in the folder, okay, I will rename it to April. Yeah, as if it's the new report, and refresh the Power BI, voila. Okay, so afterwards only I have to put my new files in this folder, and the Power BI will do the rest of the job and combine them. Okay, so now I want to append the rest of the 3 lines in every workbook before I combine the workbooks in the folder. The transform here do the action of the navigation window that we saw before, that selects the table number 6 or line 6. So what I will do here is to delete the navigation step in the applied steps, To force my selection, instead of one table, I want all tables to be selected. So I will delete the navigation step. Yeah, and then select the tables that I want, or the sheets that I want from every workbook, Excel workbook file. So here I will filter, yeah, and select for line 6 or table 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, then I will expand all tables. Yeah, I will uncheck the prefix box, not to put a prefix before the column header. Okay, well, what I did is expanding all tables in every workbook. And if I now go and see the combined workbooks now for February, March, and April, I can see it already combined all tables, line 6, line 7, and line 8 for all months. So see you in the next video, and have a good time.